Welcome to our comprehensive guide on setting up your Oanda Live account on Metatrader 4 in 2025. Let's dive into the world of trading together. To start, visit the Oanda website and click on Create Live Account. Fill in your details, verification information, and confirm your account. Next, download Metatrader 4 from the Oanda website. Follow the installation instructions to get it set up on your device. Once installed, open Metatrader 4 and go to Tools, then Options to configure your settings tailored for Oanda. Now, let's link your Oanda account. Go to File, select Login to Trade Account, and enter your Oanda login credentials. After logging in, verify that your account is successfully connected. You should see your account balance and available margin. Familiarize yourself with the Metatrader 4 interface. You'll find the Market Watch, Navigator, and various chart options here. To execute trades, select a currency pair in the Market Watch, right-click, and choose New Order. Enter your trade size and click Buy or Sell. Leverage analytical tools and charts to enhance your trading strategy. Customize indicators based on your preferences. In conclusion, always stay informed and practice good risk management. Happy trading with Oanda on Metatrader 4.